Hi, good morning. Yeah, how are you? Now you're okay. Okay. What about Asil? Okay. Okay, and where is Shihna? Let me message her. Did she say something? Where did she go? Today is actually our last assembly, right? In this academic year. Monday your exam starts. Okay. And if you are a noise from here, are you hearing any noise from here? Okay. Some work is going on here. That's why I asked. Okay, let's wait a bit for Shihna so that she can also see your craft work. Did you do anything? You haven't did it. Okay, okay, okay. Where is Shihna? Yeah. Okay now? Preparing so hard for an act, Asra? Yeah, you do that, okay? It's already half the time. So I don't think Shihna will be joining. So you do that. Let's watch. I don't know. No message, nothing. I don't know. Okay, do that. Let me see. You are showing like that. I'm not able to see that. Can you share that? Azra, can you hear me? Azra, it was stuck. It was stuck. It was stuck. Okay, I'll message. You do one. See, you can share that, right? In screen. No, you share in the screen. Then you. It's in WhatsApp, right? Not coming? Okay. Okay, you sent me. Let me check. Can I send that to our admin? Okay. Okay, you sent me that. Hmm? Okay. Yeah, okay. You can send it by WhatsApp. Yeah, and Astra, you people haven't uploaded that mark of something in assignment classroom. When I checked this yesterday, I saw that. Yeah, I'll show that. Okay, I'll show that. 1 second. What? Which one? Yeah, live worksheet marks. You put it in comment box. Let me check then. Yesterday when I checked, there were no marks. Why I'm telling this, the grades, you have 25 marks at CE and you will lose that marks if the things are uploaded. And which I saw is that, see, worksheet number one, both have turned in, but there is no submission. There is no file attached and no comment, nothing. I'll show that, okay? Yeah, but this same thing is there in physics also. Check that. Otherwise, the marks, you know the marks? Okay, okay. You do that then. Okay. Do that fast, okay? Only then I could give you the marks. And tell the same to Shikhna also. And see, in case of Tawhida ma'ams also, I saw something that is not actually submitted, but you people have turned in, so the it won't be showing in that, to do. The pending works won't be showing there unless you turn in. So you people have turned in, but there is no file. Okay, you check that. I'll message you. Your ma'am is also already here. So, okay. So, bye, Asra. Take care and do well for your exam. Bye.